Hello friends, welcome to our channel Logical Developer. In this session we will discuss about how to resolve error illegal argument exception in Java programming. The illegal argument exception in Java is thrown when a method receives an argument that is not of the expected type or falls outside of a set of valid values. To resolve this error, you need to identify the source of the problem and fix it. Here are some steps you can take. Check the method nature. Make sure that the arguments you are passing to the method match the expected type and number. Check the method signature in the documentation to confirm this. Check the input values. If the method takes a range of input values, make sure the values you are passing are within the valid range. Check for null values. If the method expects non-null values, make sure that you are not passing null values as arguments. Use exception handling. If you are unable to prevent the illegal argument exception from occurring, you can use exception handling to catch the exception and handle it appropriately. Here's an example of how to catch an illegal argument exception. Try code that may throw illegal argument exception. Catch illegal argument exception A, handle the exception system.out, println invalid argument, plus A, get message. In this example, we are catching the illegal argument exception and printing a message that explains the problem. You can customize this message to provide more detailed information to the user or log the error for debugging purposes. In summary, to resolve the illegal argument exception error in Java programming, you need to identify the source of the problem and fix it. This can involve checking the method signature, input values, and handling null values appropriately. If you are unable to prevent the error, you can use exception handling to catch the exception and handle it appropriately. I hope this video will help to Java programmers and developers who are facing this type of error while application development. If you like this video, then please share it and subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about new uploaded video. Thanks for watching this video.